Welcome to our channel!
Okay guys, using 11 inches balloon, we have purple and white. I'm gonna stuff our white balloon with our purple. So hoping that the color will change. So you stuff the purple in the white balloon. I think I like the color because it's kind of like, okay, so tie this together just like that. So basically you're just twisting them all, get them tangled. Total of 8. Like this guys, okay? So you will need your head here. Find one of the balloon that you can tie it with or connect it with. And then you need your tiny balloon, 5 inches latex. Just a little air, because you want this as the eye. So you want to make sure this is the same size because this is going to be the eyeball. So now using balloon glue dots, so now we're ready to attach the eyes. So I draw an eyes, draw something there. Sure, eyes, octopus. So I will secure them together by connecting those eyes. So I'll put the other blue on the other side because that's the same color. Just stretch them around. And there goes your octopus. Okay guys, hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and thank you all for watching. See you guys in our next video. Bye.